Alright you guys, long video, full room tour. This is Jetty B and this is villa number 38, which is mine. Over across there is Jetty A and over on that side is Jetty C. Let's walk in, yo. Number 38, it's my bicycle. I'm going to drive around. Hedgehog, when you clean your feet. Gah! 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 Let's get in. Hello! So I'm gonna give you guys a tour here. Here's the bed. Here's the sink. Some lotions and all that. Here's the bathroom with the see-through floor or whatever. Yeah? Yeah? Closet. All the lotions and stuff like that. Darkness. That's how it looks like right there. So that's the view. It's nice and cold in here because it's AC blown. Mosquito net. Window to the outside. Check this out. Let's go to the restroom first. I think this is the restroom. Outdoor restroom, all the controls. Rain shower and a fan. Here's the tub. I can open that and it goes outside. This is here's a TV. Gonna unlatch this bad boy. So you can watch it on either side. Flip it around. I'll do that later. Sorry. Here's the tub. Let's go upstairs. Oops, finger in the way. Almost there, sorry. Sunset view. Can hang out there. Neighbors. Pretty cool, huh? Let's go back down. It's out. Someone coming in my room. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh, Lord. Let's go outside. Don't let out the AC. Oops, sorry. Alright. Trying to go as smooth as possible, but look at that. Kick in its spot. Kick in its spot. Hey, you messed on my pillow. Check the water out. If I fall, whoa. Pretty cool, ain't it? And